Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to set indentation in Word. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So to create an indentation for the entire document, we need a ruler. I already have it enabled, but to enable the ruler, go to the View tab and select the ruler. OK, now select the entire document, namely press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A and drag the upper arrow on the ruler to the required value. To create an indentation for a single paragraph, place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph and press the Tab button on the keyboard. And this should be done with every paragraph. There is also an alternative way to add indentation for the entire document. Select the entire text by pressing Ctrl+A and click on the Paragraph Settings button here. Now in the special list, select Hanging and select the indentation size on the right. Let's say 1.7. Click OK and the indentation is applied. And that's it. Now in Auto mode.